Bad fuel injectors can cause several distinct engine performance problems. Recognizing these symptoms early can save you from costly repairs and prevent further engine damage. The first major symptom is rough idling. Your engine's RPM will fluctuate inconsistently when the car is at idle, creating an unstable and uneven running condition. Engine misfires are another critical symptom. This occurs when individual cylinders fail to combust properly, resulting in noticeable power loss and rough engine operation. Hard starting is especially noticeable in cold conditions. Faulty fuel injectors struggle to deliver the proper fuel mixture needed for reliable engine startup. You may also experience unexpected engine stalling during operation and a noticeable decrease in acceleration and overall power output. Finally, the check engine light is a key indicator. This warning appears when your vehicle's computer detects fuel system anomalies caused by faulty injectors. These symptoms often appear together and worsen over time. Early detection of these warning signs can prevent more serious engine damage and costly repairs. Understanding what causes fuel injector failure is crucial for preventing costly repairs. Four main factors contribute to injector problems, each with different prevention strategies. Fuel quality issues are the leading cause, responsible for 40% of injector failures. This includes contaminated fuel with water or dirt and low-quality fuel lacking proper detergent additives. Carbon buildup accounts for 35% of failures, particularly problematic in modern direct injection systems where carbon accumulates on intake valves and injector tips. Mechanical wear causes 15% of failures, including deterioration of O-ring seals and internal component wear that affects spray patterns. Heat and age-related degradation make up the remaining 10%, caused by thermal cycling stress and fuel system pressure fluctuations over time. Fuel quality problems stem from contaminated fuel containing water or debris, low-quality fuel lacking detergent additives, and ethanol-related corrosion in older vehicles. Using top-tier gasoline brands helps prevent these issues. Carbon buildup is especially problematic in direct injection engines. Unlike port injection systems, direct injection allows carbon to accumulate on intake valves and injector tips, reducing performance over time. Mechanical wear affects critical injector components. O-ring seals deteriorate, causing external leaks, internal parts wear affecting spray patterns, and electrical connections corrode over time. Prevention is always better than repair. 3 key strategies can significantly extend injector life and prevent most failures. First, consistently use top-tier gasoline brands that contain proper detergent additives to keep injectors clean during normal operation. Second, schedule professional injector cleaning services every 30 to 50,000 miles to remove accumulated deposits before they cause problems. Third, regularly use high-quality fuel system cleaners as preventive maintenance. These additives help dissolve deposits and protect against future buildup. Following these prevention strategies can extend injector life by 40 to 60% and save hundreds of dollars in repair costs. Quality fuel and regular maintenance are your best defense against injector failure.